see something behind there. Air stations, I think that was just an Ngala the glove just chased off from the western side of the dip. Such an exciting way to start today's diary. Sadly, I couldn't confirm the lion sighting because the elephants had done too good a job at scaring it off. But while I was trying to relocate it, we found a bull rhino instead. He's actually scraping his feet. Again, just marking territory. There you go, you can see his feet scraping. That's getting all the scent of the dung on his feet, and as he walks he's going to be marking his territory with that scent.
There!
Oh, there! Ah! Yay! Thank you, vultures! Guys, we've got a leopard. Keen to find any answers to yesterday's drama, but knowing hyenas would have cleared away any remains of the lion kill, I was still surprised to see so many vultures, so I went back to investigate and was thrilled to find Mixo there. How fantastic is this, sitting a few meters away from Mixo. The highlight of Patrick's drive was finding this herd of elephants.
There's a vehicle behind us. Come back to the elephants.
After starting the entry with panicked elephants, we leave you with them clearly more relaxed. And as this day closes over Djuma Game Reserve, we wonder what African adventures tomorrow will bring.